The person of heart is the all. Yes, you heard me right. The person of heart, the person who thinks with his heart is the all. When you have seen such a person, you have seen everything. The whole hunt is in the belly of the wild ass, as the saying goes. All the people in the world are parts of him, and he or she is the whole. All good and bad are part of the dervish. Whoever is not so is not a dervish. Now, when you have seen a dervish, you have certainly seen the whole world. Anyone you see after that is superfluous. A dervish's words are the most complete words of all. When you have heard their words, whatever you may hear afterwards is unneeded. If you see him at any stage, it is as though you have seen every person and every place. O copy of the divine book which you are, O mirror of awesome beauty that you are, nothing that exists in the world is outside of you. So seek within yourself whatever you want, for that you are. Yes, this is the saying of Rumi Rahmatullah Alai. And here they are talking about a Kamil Piro Murshid, a person who is whole in himself. Yes, and we should all remember that, like how tiny drops of water make a mighty ocean, so the same way we are all that tiny drops of that ocean. And can we do that role reversal? Is that possible, or can we think it in a different way, that that ocean has divided itself in those tiny drops? Yes, the divine is the ocean, and we are all his tiny drops, a part of that whole. And that part itself is also a whole in itself. Think about it. No one is perfect, not me, not you, not them. If you want to live a peaceful life, remember this: accept yourself for who you are and respect others for who they are. Because at the end of life, what really matters is not what we bought, but what we built, not what we got, but what we shared, not our competence, but our character, and not our success, but our significance. Live a matter that matters. Live a life of love. Yes, my dear friends, this world was created for love, out of love, and of love. So let's live a life full of love and kindness. You know something? A person's most useful asset is not a head full of knowledge, but a heart full of love, an ear ready to listen, and a hand willing to help others. So let's do more of this. What say? Please do comment your suggestions and feedbacks about the videos and about the thoughts. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your love and support.